Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Mech Technologies. Here we discuss about the failure analysis. Why the failure analysis which determines that how we get unsuccessful or get failure in any vocational workplace or in any industries. Here we discuss about some of the major factors or analysis method which determines that how we get failure in our life. So the first point is every product or the process have the modes of failure. It means in any factor there is the chances of get success or failure is up to our work strength or our potential. If a body or a worker which complies in a industry, if he gives its 50%, almost 50% to the industries, uh, in the sense of their production, and 50% he goes to their rest, then the production it is normally decreases. And if he give 80% of its production net and 20% is that, it increases its all the production and the failure rate maybe decreases. It means अगर कोई वर्कर अपने क्षमता का अगर 80% किसी भी इंडस्ट्री को प्रोडक्शन रेशियो में इंक्रीजमेंट देता है, तो उस कंपनी का फेलियर एनालिसिस डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर वो उसको 50% ही दे रहा है और 50% को वेस्ट में डाल रहा है, तो देयर मे बी द फेलियर chances should be increases. The second point is to the an analysis of the potential failure. Helps designers focus on the understand the impact of the potential process or the product risk and the failures. एक एनालिसिस के थ्रू हम लोग देखेंगे कि जो हमारा फेलियर्स होता है वो हमारे इम्पैक्टुअल प्रोसेस पे भी डिपेंड करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ अ कंपनी can done its 60% of its production, and in on the market basis it can't utilize or invest their 60% to direct to the market at a certain period of time, then it also counted on failure analysis methods. So the next point is the several synthetic methodologies and have been developed to the quantities defy the effects and impacts of the failures. The third points which determines that the failure analysis which also effectively on the several mathematics methodologies. It means several mathematics methodologies that any product which gives its 80 to 100% of its quantities and within its quality ratio. But if the product which should be published in a market, it can't give the same impactual results on the basis of their before performance, then the whole production should be failures due to the decreasements of their value ratio. So it is the whole meaning of several mathematics methodologies. So come on the next topics. The next topic is failure analysis methods. There are the some points which should be uh, at, which should be on the under of product development. That first is to prevent production malfunction, second is to ensure the product life, third is to prevent safety hazards while using the products. So second, on the basis of process development, there are some of the failure ratios should be applies. The first is to ensure the product quality, second is to achieve the process reliability, third is to prevent customer dissatisfactions, fourth is to prevent the safety or environmental hazards. The next topic is common failure analysis techniques. They are some of the techniques which complies our failure ratio, which are shown on the screen and details. So come on the next topic. The first parts which affect the failure analysis is failure modes and the effects analysis, FMEA. They are some of the ratios which keeps on the screen with a suitable examples. The next topic is implementing FMEA. It means how we can implement or recovers our failure ratio on the market. So these are totally depends upon two types. The first is to hardware loss of component, and the function loss of function or the features. Come on, the next topic is failures. Need to understand the failures, which can be any following. So these are the understanding methods by which the failure ratio can be decreases. So this the whole phenomenon which are shown on the screen are determines that how we can recover from the failure analysis method. So thanks for watching this video.